Hey there guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial will show you how to create a journal using Canva templates for Amazon KDP. Are you looking for a way to make journal templates using Canva to sell for Amazon KDP? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is open your browser on your PC, Mac, or laptop and open canva.com. And canva.com, as you can see here, we are in the homepage, and what you want to do is so you can see there's a lot of templates that you can try here for doc, whiteboard, A4 document, presentation, Instagram story, flyer, Facebook post, planner. There's a lot here. You can do this. Video notebook, poster, logo, infographic, resume, and so on, right? But we want to create uh, a journal template using Canva so that you can sell it to your Amazon KDP, right? So in the search bar here in the middle, just type in journal like so. It's on templates, right? And then press enter. And here it's going to say journal templates, browse high quality journal templates for your next design. So as you can see here, there's a lot of journal templates that you can use. As you can see, it's loading right now. There's a lot that you can use and you could edit. And as you can see, it is still, there you go. There's a lot of journal templates that you can choose from. Of course, you cannot use default journal templates because one, you might get in trouble with Canva, and number two, if a customer in Amazon KDP is looking for a journal and they know how Canva works and sees that, oh, I'm going to use this one, right? We're going to use this one, and you didn't even edit like the font or the size of the font or the color of the background or whatever. They're probably going to see, oh, this is a default Canva journal. Why would I pay something for free, right? So yeah, there we go. And again, like what I said, so many. There's a lot here. There are some that are free. There are some that are premium. Premium ones are have like this crown, like yellow gold crown icon, circle icon. Those are paid content from Canva. And yeah, like what I said, like you just choose which design you want for your journal template. Let's say let's use this one. So let's make it load properly, right? So as you can see, it says my daily journal is kind of like a doodle anime kind of thing, cartoony. So there are two ways you could edit this. You could just click on it and a new tab will pop up, or you could click over here, customize this template. It's pretty much the same thing. And as you can see, this is the tab that we clicked on the customize this template, and this is the tab that we click straight from the template itself. So it's going to be the same thing. And as you can see here, we could edit this the way we want. My daily journal, as you can see, you could add a page, and then what you want to do, since it's a journal, click on journal pages over here, and maybe add this one since it's a daily journal, right? Uh, and you could edit the lines, you could edit the fonts right here. You can edit the color of the page itself. Let's make it yellow, right? Let's make this one uh and you could change the positions of the elements of the design, like so. There you go. And edit the font, right? Let's use this one. There you go. It says daily journal. Like I said, this is very like you could you know add it here. There you go. And then you can even add you can add another text like this, right? It says daily journal, and let's put it date like so, and let's make it way smaller. And there you go. Um, make it like that. There you go. And as you can see, this is a page. This is the first page, right? And you should just duplicate the page as many times as you want. And there you go. You have two, three, four, five, six. So far we've created 6 pages aside from the cover photo, and that's pretty much how you create a journal that you can use to sell on Amazon ADP. And to save this, just click on share, and then click on download, and like click on this. It's gonna download, and then you can upload it to your Amazon KDP. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.